Welcome, welcome. Lord Vladimir, Fenol The Great.
Yes. Yes, man.
Let's talk about money.
Let's talk about the brain.
Yes.
The brain.
How are you going to use your brain to attract all the money you need?
Yes. What's going on inside your brain right now? You know, the brain is a funny machine. The brain is a funny organ. Hmm?
Yes. All the neurons in your brain,
Yes.
all the connections, electrical connections in the brain, what signal you're gonna send.
All the thoughts, all the memories. Yes. Are you all over the place? Thinking about this, thinking about that, thinking about who, thinking about what? What's going on inside your head right now?
Maybe you're thinking about what happened a year ago, what you could have done, what happened and how it happened, how fast it happened, and who caused it to happen, what caused it to happen. If you know who, what,
Where?
there's a lot of conversation going on in the head right now.
Mm-hmm. Are you distracted?
Maybe you focusing on the future and planning in your head what you're gonna do, how you're gonna come out of a certain situation, or how you're gonna improve certain things. So a lot of thinking going on right now.
Mm-hmm. Are you thinking about what you can do, what you cannot do, and when you should do it, how you should do it, or where you should do it, with whom should you do it? You know, the brain can think up to 38 to 50 thoughts a day. That's a lot of thoughts.
Yeah, even more than that.
Mm-hmm. Now we are here to bring you back.
Yes.
Yes. Good news.
Let's see how you can use your brain effectively
Mm-hmm.
to attract the wealth and all the money that you've been looking for, that you've
That's
been
right.
wanting to
Mhm.
have that never came.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's get started. Money.
Yes.
When you think about money, what do you think about?
Does money has a negative vibe for you? The word money?
Does it give you goosebumps?
Mm?
Does it make you worry?
Do you fear money?
The way your brain, your mind has been programmed to see money, to experience money, to make money, to create
To
money,
use money?
to manage money. will have something to do with the amount of money that you can attract. This is not NLP. This is not neuro-linguistic program. This is not removing one program to add another. This is about removing all programs.
That's right. This is about removing all the negative energies, the negative entities that keep your body in a state of turbulence.
Yes. How are we gonna help you remove all the conditioning, all the negative emotion tied to money or linked to money? How we are going to hold your hands and walk you through the abundant path of money and wealth. The first step, you'll need to have some time for yourself.
Yes. Very important.
You've been reading books, you've been going to seminars, you've been talking to people, but you never have time for yourself. You never have time for you. You never have time to learn, to understand, to experience, and to attract all the money you need. Maybe you learn that money is just paper, it's just currency. That's all you know about money.
Or maybe you were taught that money was real gold and silver.
Yes. This is real silver.
Yes.
Real silver. Silver Town.
Those are silver coins.
This is from Winchester, Indiana.
This, my friend, is pure, fine silver gold bars. Heavy. You can even do a workout with each 10 pounds. Each bar, 10 ounce.
This is real diamond.
Yes.
Treated greenish blue color. Cut it medium. Yes. This is why round, brilliant, cut natural diamond grading. And some other stones.
Precious stones.
And not forgetting the horse, the golden horse in the back.
Right.
The golden horse with necklaces and rings and diamonds.
So, how do we prepare your brain to attract money?
Yes. You have to change all conditionings.
You have to change your focus.
You have to change the program.
Yes. You have to change your beliefs.
You have to change your habits about money.
Or you all over the place? Yes, you're thinking about this, or I don't have that. Oh no, I can't make any money because I'm too weak, I'm too poor, I'm uneducated.
Do you have a lot of excuses of why you deserve to not having money? Because maybe you're from a poor family, your parents are not educated, you're from a poor neighborhood, you're from a poor country, or the boss never gave you an opportunity, your school was not the best school,
Maybe you had some losses.
maybe you're too old, maybe you're too young.
More excuses.
Yes.
In order to prepare your brain to attract money, you must delete, remove, and make space inside your brain.
For new money to come,
Fresh
new
money
wealth
to flow.
come. Yes. You know?
Yes, when it comes, and you too much money, you don't know what to do with it. But
And
yet,
you can build your money, you can build your wealth and your freedom.
that's right,
Yes.
with peace of mind.
With real assets, eternal assets.
Eternal money, yes. Now let's get to it. How do you clear your mind? How do you empty your mind? How do you make space within your brain so you can actually attract money, lots of money? You know that you were not born poor. It is a belief that you put inside your head, or some people, somebody put inside your head.
Let's do some affirmation to clean your mind and
To help
attract.
unclog.
Yeah, unclog your mind
Yes.
of all the beliefs,
That's right.
all the conditioning and programs and things that are blocking you from letting money flow
Yes,
through your life.
that's right.
Let's do a short 1-minute meditation and affirmation.
Meditation first. Breath awareness meditation. With each breath you take, observe the breath going inside your stomach, through your abdomen and out. Observe it. 1. Release. Next one. 1. Release. One more breath. Release.
Yes. You can close your eyes, you can keep your eyes open and repeat after me. I am ready. I am ready for all the money that I need. I am ready to receive all the money that I need and want. I'm ready to receive here and now all the money that I need and want. I am ready.
Yes.
Namaste. Lord Vladimir, Fenol the Great. Share and subscribe.